Find the least value of k such that 540k is a perfect square. Now, there is another way to phrase this question. Find the least value of k such that square root of 540k is an integer. Essentially, it's the same thing. If you want a perfect square, when you square root that perfect square, you are gonna land out with an integer. Okay, so very first step to this question is to express 540 in its prime index notation. So to do that, we employ the ladder method. Okay, so we divide by 2 first. You get 270. You can further divide by 2. You get 135. And then 135 you can actually divide by 3. 45. Further divide by 3, you get 15. Further divide by 3, you get 5. Last divide by 5, you get 1. You stop here. So 540 is 2 square times 3 cube times 5. 2 square times 3 cube times 5. This is 540. Again, it's good to check the calculator. Press this entire thing inside the calculator and make sure that we get 540. Alright, okay, 540, good. So how do I make this a perfect square? Alright, at the moment this is already a perfect square because the powers are multiple of 2 here. But this is not, this is also not. This is 5 to the power 1. So this guy needs to be 3 to the power of 4. This one, 5 to the power of 2. So when I take 540 times k, I must get over here a perfect square. Okay, now what is that perfect square? That perfect square will contain 2 square. You don't change this. Do not change that. But 3 cube you must change. You must push it up to 3 to the power of 4. Because you want it to be a perfect square kind of number. Times 5 to the power 1, change it to 5 squared. Alright, nice. Now, how do I find k? Just do some simple manipulation. 2 square times 3 to the power 4 times 5 square. Divide by 540. Okay, and 540 is this value over here in prime index notation. So 2 square times 3 to the power 4 times 5 squared over 540 is 2 squared times 3 cubed times 5 to the power 1. Okay, so this essentially means cancel off. 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 3 is actually a 3. You can check it with a calculator, okay? 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 cubed is actually just a 3. 5 square divided by 5 is just a 5. So 3 times 5 will be k. K is just 15. Final answer for this question for k. K is equals to 15.